I feel glamorous now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to make these blue, purple, pink mixed eyes. This video will be very short. मैं इसमें सिर्फ अपना ये आई मेकअप करने वाली हूँ, पूरा full face नहीं. So I hope you guys will like it. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video.
Taking this pink shade from this Makeup Revolution palette, and I am just concentrating on my crease, and I'm taking very less quantity, and I'm just trying to build the color. At a time I'm taking less pigment, and then again I'm taking some more and just trying to build the color, क्योंकि हम हमेशा color को build कर सकते हैं, लेकिन at a time अगर ज़्यादा ले लिए एक ही बार में तो it will be a big mess. As you can see, I am taking the same shade again and again, and I am using very light hand to deepening my crease and touching just the edge of the brush. Now taking this purple shade and trying to build the purple just below the pink, while purple is also touching the pink color, and I am trying to blend both the shadows together, and also at the same time I'm trying to build the purple in my end of the crease. As you can see, I am using the same purple color and trying to fill the outer corner, and I'm using very light hand, not at all using pressure or applying pressure, and just deepening the color. Now using this shimmery blue color in a flat brush, and I'm using some makeup setting spray to pick the color, and do not use such a small brush. I don't know why did I select this brush. Instead of that, use this type of brush. And I'm just patting the pigment on my eyelid and leaving the outer corner, and just cleaning the edge now. And now I'm taking my ring finger and patting the same blue color. It is very easy to use your ring finger if you are playing with shimmers and foil eyeshadows. Now taking this purple again, and I'm deepening my crease, and I'm again using very light hand. And now taking the first shade, which is the pink one, I am using over the purple, I mean the pink where we started at the first. I'm deepening that color also and blending both the purple and pink together. And as you can see, I'm just touching the edge of my brush. I am not at all harsh here. If you use a light hand, you will definitely able to build the color. Now taking the same blue pigment and patting with my ring finger, and you can see the color is building. Now dusting off the fallouts with my Real Technique setting brush in the number 402, and taking a color bar pencil brush and adding some highlighter on my inner corner, and using the same highlighter with the same brush on my brow bones and highlighting my brow bone area. Now mixing these two shades to smudge my lower lash line. I already applied eyeliner off camera and used Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Eyeliner, and it's time to use some mascara, and oops, I forgot to curl my lashes. So now I'm curling my lashes and quickly apply tons of mascara. I mean, mascara is my favorite part, and you can see the difference immediately. I'm coating like numerous coats of the mascara, and using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Now you can see the difference, and here I am coating my lower lashes as well. And that's the final eye look.
So I will quickly finish my second eye also, and I'll be back.
Well, that's the final eye look, and
So I'm done with my second eye also, and जल्दी से जाके थोड़ा सा lipstick highlight and blush लगा के I'll be back.
Now I decided to use this Wet n Wild brown kohl pencil and I'm tightlining my eyelashes. Not eyelashes, my lower lash line. And you can see I'm not touching my waterline. I'm just tightlining my lash line just to give a hue. But this step is completely optional. And for lipstick, I'm using the Color Bar Hot Latte shade and I'm topping it up with Maybelline Chili Nude color from their creamy matte range, and that's the final look. Yeah, I'll be there for you when you were all alone. I'll be there for you, cause I know that I'll be there for you when you were all alone. Oh, I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there.
So yeah, that's the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, then please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you super soon in my next one. Till then, bye, take care.